my God, guess what, guys? I got the wig. I got it. I'm about to make y'all proud. As a formal citizen of the lace front community, I'm going to make y'all very proud of me today. Yes. You know, I'm honored. I'm very honored to be a part of this community. I need to take a break every now and then because I do love my hair. You know, I've been in the lace front community for some time now, and I think that it's time that I receive my badge. Yep. I have spent hours upon hours, days upon days, perfecting these laces. I have searched valleys. I have searched for centuries, decades, to find the proper lace glue and spray. I have spent money to figure it all out. I have done the utmost. I deserve it. I deserve it. I deserve it. Because I've come a long way. You will never understand trying to make hair look like it's growing out of your scalp as if it's your own. Making hair look like it's your own until you're a part of the lace front community. This is a community of survivors. We have survived many things. The lace lifting, all types of different amounts of glue stuck to your forehead. Trauma. The trauma. Oh my God. Have you ever had your lace slip back? It's serious. It's a serious game we playing. This ain't no joke. But how are you doing today? Have you guys ate yet? Have you guys prayed to God yet? Make sure you're drinking your water. Okay. I need to drink some water. Right now. Right now. But make sure you're taking care of yourselves as well. And make sure if you're going to do your hair, you lay the lace right. And of course, take care of your hair under the wig. Take care of your hair. Make sure it's moisturized. I love y'all. I love my lace front community. People, I speak for all of y'all. We got this in the bag. We really do. Okay, so I'm going to finish up the wig. Stay tuned so I could tell y'all all about this wig. So, of course, I want to tell y'all about the wig. I love the curls. Like, hands down, the curls are very pretty. I noticed that I could do different styles with this wig. This is a synthetic, but who cares? We rocking it. It's a synthetic wig, and, it does get tangled, but if you know how to maintain it, you know how to make it look good. What I really like about this wig is I managed to do different styles. It's very versatile, and I like that. Shout outs to all the girls who know how to make synthetic wigs look like masterpieces. Like, oh my God. I'm so, proud of y'all. And I hope y'all proud of me after y'all see the finishing look. I also would like y'all to leave, y'all experiences down below, what you had to do with wigs and lace fronts. Tell me your stories. Also, let me know how I did. Give me some tips, some pointers, because it's always room for improvement. It's always room for improvement, okay? And I'm getting ready to show y'all the end result of this Rashana wig. I honestly love these waves. Like, it's coming out really good, y'all, as y'all can see. I love the way the highlights complement my complexion.